Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use these 3D texts. Okay, now as a graphic designer, everybody has to use a 3D text at one point or the other. Let's step in Photoshop. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so now when you have access to these PDFs or these PSD files, let's say this, for instance, is going to be in the description for you. Click on Don't Resolve. Okay, now what you're going to have is this, and you remember you are going to export it to your file. Okay, so what you have to do is just look at it. You're going to see, don't double click to change. Okay, so that's where you're going to do the changing. You're going to double click on it and then update. Okay, now it's also very important that you have that same type of font installed. If you don't have that same type of font, still use an alternate font that you feel like it's really needed to get the work done. Okay, now you can see this one. What's the font's name? It's called Montserrat. That is what was used. Okay, so you can go there and then type in the phrase that you want to use. You want to say maybe massive dynamic, right? I don't know, is that how you spell dynamic? Maybe Y or something like that, I don't know. Okay, and then maybe save it. Once you save it, Control S to save it. Once you save it, just click on there to get rid of it. Now you can see massive dynamic, and then you can get rid of the no, those text over there, you don't need them. And then also, because you want to export it to your particular artwork that you want to, you can just click to take away the background. Okay, and then now you can save it as a PNG file. I'm going to show you how to save files as PNG files and still retain the high quality, so that when you paste it online on social media, it's still going to have that much quality that you designed. Okay, so you can save this work as a a PNG file and then use it. Let's go to the other one as well. Now this is also the same thing. Once you double click it there, click on update. Okay, all right, so now this is it. Okay, also what you want to do is, let's close everything. What you want to do is you want to get rid of this text. Okay, we don't really need them, so let's click on it. You can see it's hidden now. Now you can see also over here we have double click to change text. So we're going to double click on it and then cancel. Okay, now you can see I do not have the font. I do not have the font. It's called Noir Pro. Okay, so I could go and download it, right? I can go and download it, or I can go and look for what, an alternate font, or even any font that I want to use. Okay, now in this instance, let's just say I want to use Impact. All right, so let's just, I want to use Impact. I'm going to click on Impact, just this one. All right, Impact. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text to let's see, Seth. All right, so now you're going to use this. Now guys, also one thing, do not change the color. Whatever color you meet in there, do not change that color, leave it like that. Okay, Control S to save it. We can see over here to be showing you whilst it's saving. Okay, do not change the color, do not do anything, leave it as it is. Close it now. All right, and then let's go. You see it reflect over here. Now because you want to use this for your artwork, again, what you want to do is hide the background. Then now you can save this as a PNG file. Okay, you can go to file, you can go to save as, and then you can change it to what, PNG file. But then I'm going to show you the right way to save your file for social medias and for online platforms as well. I'm going to show you the settings and everything. Okay, so now guys, so this is it. I'm going to leave it in the description for you. If you love this video, you find it helpful, I want you to do two things: subscribe to this channel, and I want you to comment as well. I love you guys. See